Almost. Let's go. Eskimo.
I love top this land.
Oh, the dogs are back.
So they just go through the Lost Mountains now. We could have gone down the coast, but it's quite a lot longer.
Okay.
Well, it's gone to beats and I've no idea why.
Maybe it's displaying low battery.
Reliving,
Yeah, yeah.
Jump.
I can hear quite a lot of banging on someone's intercom though.
Yeah, it's on you.
What?
It's on you.
It's on me.
Yeah.
But I can hear it though.
Yeah, it's you. Because watch.
What? Hello? Why did you switch it off?
The banging was doing, it was unbearable.
Oh.
I think it's this one like that. Right, let's try that.
Okay. Have you switched it back on?
Can you hear us, Kurt?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Still sounds like pots and pans.
Hold on a sec, I want to check someone. Shut up. Right, it can't be this way now.
Okay.
Tips it to the other, like another wire.
No tips, side of the helmet.
Okay. Gloves. See, I can still hear lots of smacking now. Like loads of smacking. Can you hear it? Can anyone else hear that?
I can hear it, I can hear that. I didn't.
That's like someone's just like.
Yeah, that's what I hear constantly.
This is doing it right now.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I mean, like, there's nothing clearly causing it that's a wire hitting because we're stationary.
I think it's because of the bridge, it's just shit. I think so.
You think it's because?
I just have to keep muting you.
You think it's because I'm on Bluetooth and you guys are on DMC?
I think I might just have to mute you.
Frustrating. You ready, Clifford?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's doing it like mad.
Rider A disconnected. Reconnecting.
Hello? Michael, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Michael?
Can't know you. Far away.
Well, you will set off when Clifford's not ready.
Clifford behind you? Yeah, I'm here now.
This is cool. Sheep. Wow, look at him go. Look at him running. Running for their lives. Oh, bless them. They don't know which way to go. They're very confused. Yeah, well, they're taking up all the road.
Go around him. Why are you not go to the right hand side of him?
Oh, the other one's got lost.
I need to get past it, Kate, so it's not separate.
Yeah. Did you see it leap into the thing then?
This face palmed into the front. It's like a 180. It's poor thing. Have you got it on video?
Yeah, that was hilarious. Oh, poor its family like dove under a gate, and then this one just carried on. Oh, that tickled me, did that? Oh, that tickled me. They look so funny when they run in.
Oh, this is going to be sharp.
Sharp? Sharp or steep?
Both. Look at this. Imagine if you got this wrong. Give you a neutral race down here. Engine braking noise, okay.
Yeah, boy. Why is it that loud?
Look at that drop top that left.
Oh no. Well, knowing me, I'll get target fixation and launch off the edge.
It's far down that, isn't it?
Oh my god. That is one huge drop.
I love these types of roads.
So cool, aren't they? Wow, that bridge is pretty. Pretty.
It's calm, isn't it?
Very calm.
I'm in a very zen mood. You know, it's really relaxed. Quite nice.
Good. We love a zen moment. I gotta make the most of these zen moments, because before you know it, it's back to life, back to reality. That breakfast was pretty nice.
S1000.
Oh, that's an M1000. No, it's an S1. No. That's an S1000RR with a sticker kit.
He's the kind of guy that speeds off on his path and
You what? The second bike at the back was one of those Moto 2 Daytonas, like, you know, that Jake likes. You're going for it. You're wild. I repeat, not clear. I'm trying. I'm giving it everything. Oh, Cliff's gone for it as well. Gangster. Oh, look at this big wall. Trump would be proud.
Can't see over it either.
Oh, I meant the one to the left.
Oh.
Is it clear?
Yeah. I'll tell you if I can't come.
Okay.
Car.
Yeah.
Alright. Blue one.
What? Oh, clear.
Looking after the blue one. That line of standard up for
Don't worry. Is it still clear, Mike?
it. Yeah. The car on me now.
Okay. Yeah, Clifford's right with me.
This is fun. It's a plan your own thing.
I just don't trust my power.
What power?
Exactly. Oh, I forgot my dash was purple. We went in the dark and it looked pretty.
You get the GSM side here. GSM this week. Watch this. Oh, I didn't do a jump.
Oh, that hurt. Oh shit. Mike, you're indicating. Oh my god. Shit the bed. Wait, we've got to give way. Oh, it's turning.
Are the wheels coming off more kits? I can't tell.
I'm not.
Only time's not either.
I think.
You can see me, Kit.
Oh, I can see. Yeah, you're coming off the ground.
Did you try and do a jump, Clifford? I did it about 2 or 3, yeah. Oh, nice.
I wish I was cool enough.
This is steep, holy shit.
This is very steep. What the hell?
What the hell?
What on God's green earth?
Nobody's got this fucking gravelly stuff on it.
Yeah, the super grip stuff.
I've got... There's a brake pretty much on full there. I can smell my brakes, damn it. What? I can smell brakes.
Yeah.
You guys are...
I think it's us that smell.
Oh, I was on my brakes full then.
Yeah, we.
Oh my God.
That's strong. That smell.
I can't smell it.
Yeah, that's probably because it's you. We're gonna boil our brakes at this rate.
Stinkiness. Damn.
Damn, stinkers.
Damn, Daniel.
Oh, that's funny.
I think it's you, Mike, actually. Behind you now, kids, to the left, and I can smell it still. Well, I got brake fade then. Smelly boy.
Smelly, smelly.
I got brake fade then. Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
What you holding?
Oh no, a pipe smoking Peugeot 207 driver.
Pipe smoking. Listen.
He's got a pipe in his mouth.
Listen, Cliff, if anybody can get past him, it's you.
He's got the most horsepowers. I don't have 9 horsepower, you know. I'm going to go for an up the hill.
Up the hill? Yes, Clifford, come on. Easy.
I wasn't even going up the hill.
You dusted him.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Second after second.
Yeah, I'm in third because I'm dropping speed. That's funny.
Nah, it's part of the adventure.
Devil's Bridge! This really is Kirby Longstay.
Devil's Bridge is supposed to be really nice.
What, in Wales?
Yeah.
There is a nice feeling about 125s on twisty roads.
Yeah.
Wow, look.
So nice then.
Oh, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Oh. Bloody tractor. Bloody tractor. You made me laugh.
Wash it out.
Mike is committing to the overtakes. Oh shit. So there is.
2 more cars.
I see them. 3 more cars. Cliff, did you get in behind me? No.
No.
It was all looking so free flowing until it wasn't. Is it clear, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
It's still clear. Cliff, you can do it. Cliff, it's clear. Clear. So clear.
Clear for an overtake.
For me?
Yeah. More for you.
Yeah, come on, Cliff, this is clear as day. Oh my god, alright, Speedy Gonzales. What? No! It's the ground power. No, it's alright. Carry on. Get you on footage.
Realise I'm fast over going then. Better slow it down a bit. Before I get carried away.
I'm guessing we go left here, yeah? I think the road just bears round, doesn't it?
Oh, that's nice.
Well, that's very tight, isn't it?
When you bought roughly. Again, I don't think you bought enough. How did you get to the road? Now you know
know how everybody else feels who rides with you.
I know, yeah, it's good. Everyone else is more like this.
Yeah.
Is that your bike?
Yeah.
I like people riding close. Like that warm embrace. Yeah. But, second for it. How much fuel? 3 bars. Well, here's fuel. You need to fuel up.
Jesus.
Huh?
2 or 1.9. 2 or 1.9. What on this earth? Just getting absolutely scandalous prices now. This is not good as a full-time vlogger.
Bit more cautious now the roads are wet. Yeah. They're not really the best of roads anyway to be passing it.
No. Can't really see far enough ahead.
It's at the side of some.
Literally them roads, you blink and there's a car like coming towards you.
Okay, I've not got out a second.
Have you not? Tiny roads.
More bikes, all of them right on the wrong side of the road. And I was going to say, they were moving a bit past them. What's this? Every one of them come round on the wrong side of the road.
Really? Oh, I can't get over them sheep before. That was hilarious. They were running for their literal lives. Mate, you're sounding a lot like a robot. They're not even that far away. Wow. Ooh, it looks fun. They kind of remind me of the Black Forest roads.
Yeah.
Or is that where we are? Huh?
Roller coaster ride.
Yeah.
Road closed.
Where up here?
Apparently.
Oh, gravel. Yeah, it would help if I was not in 4th gear. I said it'd help if I wasn't in 4th gear. Yeah, as we turned onto the closed road, I was in 4th gear. I wondered why I wasn't going up the hill. I'm like, what? Oops. Is a dude taking a piss?
It's awkward.
So awkward. Right, where do we go?
I don't know.
I bet that dude's never felt so uncomfortable.
Yeah, sorry.
I bet that dude's never felt as uncomfortable.
I have no idea what you said.
Whoa.
Not far from the... Pardon? Push bikes. There's a lot of people up there. No. No, I've not seen anyone. There's loads of push bikes up there. Oh, I don't know. No. No worries, you heard it.
What did you want to know?
I've seen 2 people on push bikes.
No, but there's a gaggle of them up there.
I think someone's looking for you guys. Oh, there's a car looking for some push bike riders. There's a car looking for some push bike riders.
Ask them if they're meeting anyone.
A Skoda or something. We're supposed to be meeting 2 push bike riders. No, are you in a competition or something? Yeah, it's not you guys. Oh.
Yeah, look, mate, there's loads.
Yeah.
It's just come up. Well, it's just come up.
Yeah, yeah. Right, second is it?
See you later. Well, he said he was looking for 2 and there was 3 of them. This road is amazing.
Okay, overtake them on that. In my ears, like, yeah, it's flapping for me.
Wait, just mute me, and then if you need to talk to me, unmute me. Okay. Cliff, have you been muted from me as well? Yeah. Oh, blissful silence. Whoa. Wow, this road. This is cool. Wow. Would you look at this? Got a bloody bug in my freaking visor.